As Australia emerges from the recession, our companies are seeking ways to make themselves even more competitive in the world market. My next guest thinks that he might have the edge that they're looking for. He will have senior executives karate chopping and kung fu kicking the opposition because he teaches them martial arts for better business. That's what he says. Would you please welcome the corporate ninja, the samurai in the suit, Ron Lee.
The problem does not exist. Okay. Now just focus, as we showed you before, on your centre. What? That's it. Yeah.
Welcome back to Mornings. Money Week, right here on Mornings. So what is the key to meeting those dreams of wealth so many people have? Well, Ron Lee has spent many years studying the ways of Eastern martial arts and reckons that with a little ninja spirit, you can achieve your goals. It's good morning to Ron. How are you, Ron?
I'm fine, Kerry-Ann, yeah.
Okay.
Well, the office is not just a place where many of us work, it's often where battles are fought, fears are faced, and time is wasted.
Well, our next guest says we can solve these workplace problems using martial arts. Ron Lee.
So I attack you?
You push me through that wall.
Okay, I'll give it a go.
As hard as you can. Push, 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 push. Keep going. Push, 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 push.
Pushing, pushing.
Push.
Hey,
There you go. Isn't that good?
We're moving in the same direction. I see where you're coming from.
So
Interesting.
I need to learn that.